I would like to invite everyone to the EPIMAGE 2021, and especially to this part of the program that will be devoted to pacemaker and CRT-D implantation. I think it might be of interest not only to the implanting physician but also to general electrophysiologists who are main target of the EPIMAGE. EP stands for electrophysiology. But these procedures that you will see will be a kind of in between. They are implantation and electrophysiology in one, because we are pacing not just ventricles, but we are pacing conduction system. And pacing conduction system is a little bit more than classical implantation. It's a marriage of electrophysiology and implantation, and you will be able to see 3 successful procedures performed one after another in a very short period of time with small use of fluoroscopy. And I think this procedure might encourage you to use that procedure in your lab. Thank you.